It's Friday, which means it's fun games. Today we are working on dividing fractions. So this time I'm going to be doing fractions divided by fractions. It's the same as everything else. So we're talking about changing this to a multiple, which becomes 4/5. Now, multiplying is opposite to dividing. It is its inverse operator, which means we make the second fraction an inverse by flipping it upside down. So the 10 will go to the top, the 9 will go to the bottom. Now, 5 and 10 are factors. The highest factor is 5. So our 5 here can be divided by 5 to equal 1. Our 10 can be divided by 5 to equal 2. Our new fraction becomes 4/1 times 2/9, which equals our 8/9. So if this was our question, if we get to 8/9, our code is E. So anywhere we see 8/9, that means you will place an E to solve the riddle. To access these puzzles and games, you need to go to our Facebook group. So please follow the link in our description and apply to join the group. There's heaps of fabulous stuff in there. Have a great Friday.